The long awaited Bads of Bollywood or Bastards of Bollywood is here. Aryan Khan has cooked so hard, like the show is so raunchy and fun that I couldn't believe what I was watching. A mixed bag of good and bad, this show simply outshines anything that has come out in the recent times. देखो honestly ये show बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आप फैमिली के साथ बैठ के देखो. This show has so much गालीज के कानों से खून आ जाएगा. But there is no obscenity. Just violence and verbal abuse, and I got it later कि obscenity क्यों नहीं थी. There are so many callbacks, there are so many people doing guest appearances, and all of them have been done justice. कोई भी इंसान फालतू नहीं लगेगा और जिसका कैरेक्टर ही फालतू है वो भी स्टोरी में कुछ ऐड कर रहा है. The most amazing thing is that Aryan Khan got to direct Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir, even if it was for cameos, but he did that with all three Khans in one particular show. I won't ruin all the surprises, but Ghafoor Bhai was a completely unexpected cameo, and the intimacy coordinator played by Imran Hashmi is simply wow. This is how you pay homage to each and every senior actor by giving them the love and respect that they deserve. Aryan took a very witty revenge on narcotics by roasting them in one of the scenes in the first episode. रजत बेदी का जो कैरेक्टर है उसको बास्केटबॉल खेलने को मिला कोई मिल गया के बाद अब. And Ritik's not funny monologue from Zindagi Na Mili Dobara was also something that Rajat Bedi got to do. Award scene was a callback to the award scene from Om Shanti Om, where Abhishek Bachchan gets up thinking that he has won the award, but actually Shah Rukh has done that. इसमें वैसे ही सिद्धांत खड़े होते हैं. For once they have shown कि पैप्स की क्या हालत है हमारे देश में, वो किस हद तक जा सकते हैं, वो कितना घुसते हैं किसी की ज़िंदगी में. Let me talk about the characters now. The star of the show, Lakshay and Sahar, did a great job in a mixed romantic comedy action domain. Bobby Deol was so evil that it was fun. Plus, he got some really funny bits and he nailed them like anything. Karan Johar overdid a bit, but he's not an actor, but he was totally a star in the show. He was himself. Manoj Pava was the life of the movie, and his collab with Diljit was mind blowing. Mona Singh played a very crucial role in the show, a great role of a funny and a troubled mother at the same time. Biggest standout goes to Raghav Juyal. ये बंदा कुछ भी बोले सब हंसेंगे. The way he delivers his dialogues, especially third episodes onward, क्योंकि पहले 2 एपिसोड्स में आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है टू एडजस्ट टू दिस वर्ल्ड क्योंकि ये बहुत नया लग रहा होता है देखने में. राघव का हर डायलॉग एक सेक्सर है. By the end, anytime he opened his mouth, I was laughing. The best part is that Aryan didn't just pull the strings in Bollywood and made mediocre stuff. He ended up making a funny and raunchy show, a very bold show which works on so many levels. Something to binge watch. There are high chances कि अगर आप easily offend हो जाते हो या आप bother हो जाते हो किसी चीज़ से तो आपको ये पसंद नहीं आएगा तो you can skip it. But if you're looking for fun, especially Gen Z और हमारी generation अगर ये देखना चाहती है तो please go and have fun with this. This is something that you have seen in Hollywood being done. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ पहली बार हुई है. Amazing stuff done by Aryan Khan. I never thought I'll say this, but this is really good.